How to make a PSN account on iPhone. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, then please let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So first of all, in order to make a PlayStation Network account, you actually cannot do this in the PlayStation app, I believe. So you want to actually go ahead and go to your browser and then search for PlayStation Network. You just simply want to go to this site over here. And over here at the top right corner, it says sign in. You want to click on there, but obviously we do not have an account yet. So you want to click on create new account here. And there we actually go. Now we can actually click on create and we can actually select our country and region. So once you've selected the correct country or region, this is actually not my country, but when I change it to my country, it changes to my language as well. So you guys cannot really understand. So I'll just use the United States, so it's in English. And then click on next. And here it says, make sure you enter your date of birth. This is also pretty important that you do the correct one. So let's just do that real quick. Then click next. So here you will have to use your sign in ID. So this is your email address that you want to use for this PlayStation account. And you also want to create a password as well. Once you've done that, you want to click on next. So here you will have to enter your city, state or province and your postal code and then click on next as well. So I ended up changing my country either way because I had to fill in my location. But anyways, here you have to enter your online ID and also your name and your surname. And your online ID is something that you can create yourself. So this is basically your username that will be shown to your friends and all of that. And once you are done, click on continue. So here they'll ask if you want to receive any like product information or like some ads and blah, blah, blah. I don't want that. So I'll just click on agree and create account at the bottom. And then it says your account has been created. So you can click on OK. And there you go. We can now basically log in anywhere we would like to. So, here we can also click or add a profile picture, and this is some advertisement information like personalized ads and such. So you can also click on there. You still have to verify your email address. So you probably just get a simple email. You have to click on there and it will automatically verify it just like that. So you can also do that later actually. And that is basically it, I believe. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.